Okay, if you have tinnitus, it doesn't matter how loud you perceive it to be, there's always a sound that we can introduce into the ear to basically eliminate it. So you can only hear the sound that you've presented to the ear, and you can no longer hear the tinnitus. This is interesting because it shows that we have some level of control over the tinnitus using something external. Having a sense of control over the tinnitus is a really powerful thing. But our goal in clinic is not to drown out the tinnitus completely with competing loud sound. In fact, presenting loud sound for a sustained time period can be damaging for your ears. Instead, what we're trying to achieve is finding the right type of sound, which is going to mix in with your tinnitus, not drown it out, but be vaguely on the same level. So both the tinnitus and the sound that you're listening to are more or less equal. Just having the sense of control and doing it at safe levels is incredibly therapeutic over time. And it's a way that we can help habituate to the tinnitus itself.